Hi. How to extract the barcode from the description? Well, this is the description, and to extract barcode with formulas, you can enter something like this or this. Or if you simplify it, right, it will become this. So what is this MID or find or this all about? What is that? What is that? This. So I'll go to my Microsoft Excel formula guide, and all I need is just look for MID, search for it, and it will give me a clear explanation. That would be somewhere here. So for example, you have this data here. So make B2. B2 is the content. So the content is B2, which is written as hamburger. So if we get something from the fourth position, which is here, and from this position you want to get one characters, that would be B, right? From the fourth, it's B. And what is the length function? The length function gives you the length of the text. So they only take one argument, which is hamburger in this case. So in other words, hamburger get how many characters? Is 9 character. Now if you want to get the first 3 character from the left, you can use the left function, which is this. And the right 6 characters, you get burger, because you can see that from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That is the word burger. Yes, and that is the most basic text function that you can learn, master it. So now enter these words into a blank Excel sheet and try it out. Alright, so once you get this done, we want to move on to what is find and make if you combine then the find and the make together. So take a look at here. Now you have if I want to find the equal sign in this content A1, it will give me 7. Okay, so take a closer look. The find function tells you where is the equal sign located in this text. Okay, so find, and then if we combine, if we use the make function, if you want to find 101, which is after the equal sign, it should be 7 plus 1, because it starts from the 8 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, right? The 8 character. After that, you want to take 3 characters. That's why you can also combine the find function, which returns 7, plus 1 become 8 on the 8 characters. From the 8 characters, extract the next 3 characters that give you the make function. Right? You can also refer to something like this here. For example, here you have a bracket. You know that it's always the 5 character after that open parenthesis, right? So you can see that the first is right here, and minus is this is 5, and this is, so there are 6 character in between. Then actually you need the 6 minus 1, right? So it becomes 5. So right here, that you can see that if you directly enter it, alright, so that would be make 6, because VSCC from here will become 6, right? The M start with the 6 character. So 6, and you extract the 5 character here. So again, if you want to use 6, you can also, in other words, you can also say that I'll look at the open parenthesis, where does it located? So using the find function plus 1, because you do advance one more character before it comes to the letter M. Alright, so now you understand what is the make and the find. Okay, now you can go ahead and look at this complex, how to extract the barcode right here. So you see there's a find and there is a make function, and so same goes to here. Now if you, so we want to find the end. So where is it located? Right? And then you only want to find the one characters, and yeah. And then you have the A2. So let's think about it, right? So that's what it means, yeah. So you can enter this information in a blank Excel sheet, and then enter this as well. Okay, so pause this video, you enter this. Thanks for. Okay, now next one is that. Now, is it possible that we have say, just tell Excel, hey, go and extract something between these parentheses and that close parenthesis, the open parenthesis and the close parenthesis? Well, in Excel you don't have, but yes, there is one in Power Query. The Power Query, right, will give you this ability, text stop between delimiters. Yes, the between delimiters will give you that simple to do, right? So you just tell them, right, where is the, you want something between this open parenthesis and close parenthesis, and you get this. So how do you get this, right? So you load the data into Power Query. So in this case, I have loaded into Excel. So I just go to Data tab, and again transform. I click from table range. Okay, basically I load it into here, and I go to the add column. I go to extract, add column, extract, and click text between delimiters. Yes, text between delimiter, between what? Between the open parenthesis and then close parenthesis. Okay, and there are other advanced options, right? We will ignore this at the moment. So click OK, and look at that, it's done. There is no complex functions required, right? No need to write this complex function anymore. Although it's good that you know what is the make function, what is the find function, there is a usage for it as well, right? So yes, it's just that, right? Go to add column, extract, text between delimiters. Once you get it, you have this value already. Just click close and click and close and load, close and load. It will load it into a new worksheet. Okay, so I will discuss this because I already have one. So it's right here. See, this is one, right? So now assuming that I have another data, I just enter here. Okay, so enter this here, and I just give it 8, and here I change it to 8. Okay, so of course you can just drag this down over here, right? Yeah, you can, right? Still, then is that this Excel workbook is full of functions, right? It will slow down the performance of this. Now, if you look at this generated table, all you need is just right click, refresh. It's done very fast, and there is no formulas, no functions involved here, right? It's very fast. Okay, so what does it mean? That means that the next time, the next morning, or you just need to put it here, copy and paste the data into here, and then go to your result here, right click, refresh, and you're done. It's just that simple, that fast. Alright, in this video, you learn about the essential key elements in Excel function: left, right, length. MID stand for middle. Get something from the middle, from the fourth characters, and how many letters you want to get, right? How do you extract? So just one letter. And then we go into something more flexible using the find and make. Right? If you even want more flexible, then you need to have more formula. That was before Power Query invented. Now Power Query gives you another option which is far more intuitive, and this is called text stop between delimiters. And to access that, you just need to come over to the original data, go to data, from table range, go to add column. Because you want to add another column, click extract, click text between delimiters, and just key in the start delimiter, close delimiter, and click OK, and that's all. It's done. And you only set up this one time. The rest is just a refresh. Yes, just like that. Go to the result, right click, refresh. That's all. So I hope that this is helpful to you and time saving once you use Power Query, a part of Power BI tools.